Okay, so we're going to start the foot posture index, and so the first one on the sheet is going to be looking at talar head palpation. So just kind of feeling on both sides. And I'm feeling both the medial and lateral side of the talus pretty evenly on both sides, so I'm going to say that's pretty neutral and give that a score of 0. So the next item on the foot posture index is the supra and infra lateral malleolar curvature. And so looking at this individual that I used, you can see that the curve below the malleolus is slightly more concave than the curve above. So I scored this person as having a 1. So the next item is going to be looking at inversion and eversion of the calcaneus. And for this specific individual, I gave them a 1 because the line is between vertical and about 5 degrees of valgus. So next we're looking at bulging in the region of the Taillow navicular joint. And for this individual, I gave them a 1 because there is some slight bulging present. So now looking at the congruence of the medial longitudinal arch, for this individual, I gave them a 1 because the arch is lowered with some flattening in the central portion. And finally, looking at abduction and adduction of the forefoot on the rear foot, I gave this individual a 2 because no medial toes are visible and only lateral toes are clearly visible. So adding up all the scores from this individual is going to be a 6. So that is indicative of a more pronated foot.